Our Prime Minister always says, na khaunga, na khane dunga. But who will, give a whiplash to these corrupt authorities or contractors or whoever is involved in this scam? Hello, hi, I am Ananta. I am a photojournalist, from Bengaluru for last 25 years. And a two-wheeler rider. Uh, of late, you might have seen, not of late, for last few years, that how Bengaluru road is famous, rather infamous for its state-of-the-art roads. It's not just potholes; it's crater-like potholes. And when it rains, it's very dangerous. Vehicle users are always vulnerable, and especially two-wheeler riders. There have been many injuries and many fatalities, deaths, vehicles running over because people can't see pothole and they fall over. One thing we should be happy about our Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit, at least whichever route he is taking, that road is asphalted very cleanly and garbages are cleared. So, yeah, whenever Prime Minister comes, this happens. And after few days, then again that road, I've covered a road near Lalbagh when Prime Minister had come a few years ago. It was asphalted and within a week it caved in also. So this is the kind of work our civic authorities are doing. I have been covering civic problems for ages now, and I've been a victim also of a pothole with a shoulder surgery that costed me more than ₹1,00,000. So when are we going to get good roads? Only when Prime Minister comes? For example, I have shot videos of Nagarbavi surrounding as you enter university. Part of the road they have started new asphalt, while other part of the road is still full of potholes. So this is the kind of because Prime Minister doesn't want to see the potholes. That's their only aim. Otherwise, the civic authorities have no botheration at all for its citizens. So last week, within span of 3 days, I saw two people fall over a pothole inside Jnana Bharati campus. Even now, part of Jnana Bharati is asphalted. That is from law school side to the main administration building. The other part in Mysore road is still in very pathetic condition. When will this, get rectified? When we will get good roads? Of late, we are seeing only patchworks, not clean roads at all. And those patchwork hardly last for a week if it rains. So our Prime Minister always says, na khaunga, na khane dunga. But who will, give a whiplash to these corrupt authorities or contractors or whoever is involved in this scam?